Motorola's latest budget offering, the Moto G35 5G. This smartphone aims to strike a balance between affordability and practicality at just 499 dirham here in Dubai. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Now, let's get started. Motorola has refined its design language with the Moto G35 5G. The highlight here is its vegan leather back, available in guava red and leaf green, giving it a premium feel that stands out in the budget segment. I've got the leaf green variant with me, and honestly, I'm impressed with the build quality. The form factor feels sturdy and solid, especially for its price point. For those who prefer a simpler look, there's also a black variant with a plastic back. The plastic frame houses the volume controls and a power button, which doubles as a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, you'll find a USB-C port, speaker grill, microphone, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack, a rarity these days. On the left, there's a hybrid SIM tray, and at the top, a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. Overall, the Moto G35 delivers a sleek and ergonomic design that feels surprisingly premium for its price range. The Moto G35 5G boasts a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. What sets this display apart in its price range is the 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and fluid transitions, whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply navigating the interface. The display's peak brightness of 1000 nits ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for outdoor use. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, adding durability against scratches and minor impacts. While it's an IPS LCD panel and lacks HDR support in certain apps, the vibrant colors and crisp details make it a delight for media consumption. For this price, the Moto G35's display punches above its weight, offering an engaging viewing experience that's hard to match. Under the hood, the Moto G35 5G is powered by the Unisoc T760 chipset, clocked at up to 2.2 GHz. It's paired with 8 GB of RAM and an additional 16 GB of virtual RAM, ensuring smooth performance during demanding tasks. Storage-wise, it offers 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. While the Moto G35 handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light apps with ease, it does show its limitations during resource-intensive gaming or heavy multitasking. Titles like PUBG or Genshin Impact run at low to medium settings but might stutter during prolonged sessions. This device is better suited for casual users rather than hardcore gamers. One of the highlights of the Moto G35 is its software experience. It runs a stock-like Android 14 interface, enhanced by Motorola's Hello UI customization. This delivers a clean, bloatware-free experience, which is a breath of fresh air in the budget segment. Navigation is smooth and responsive, with minimal distractions from unnecessary apps. Motorola promises 3 years of security updates and 2 major Android upgrades, ensuring long-term reliability and security for users. Let's talk cameras. The Moto G35 features a dual camera setup on the rear. 50-megapixel primary sensor captures detailed and vibrant images in well-lit conditions, delivering rich colors and impressive sharpness. 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens offers a broader perspective, perfect for landscape and group shots. While the cameras perform admirably in good lighting, they struggle in low-light settings with noticeable noise and reduced clarity. This is a common limitation in this price range. One standout feature is its video recording capability, supporting up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. The footage is crisp and stable, making it a great choice for casual videography and social media creators. On the front, the 16-megapixel selfie camera does a great job, delivering sharp and natural-looking selfies. It's also excellent for video calls, ensuring you look clear and vibrant. Whether you're into social media uploads, casual photography, or vlogging, the Moto G35's camera setup offers excellent value. The Moto G35 is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring excellent longevity. With moderate usage, including browsing, streaming, and occasional gaming, the device comfortably lasts a full day and often stretches into the second day. Charging is handled via an 18-watt charger. While it's not the fastest charging option available, it's practical enough to refuel the battery within a reasonable time frame. However, faster charging speeds would have been a welcome addition for added convenience. The multimedia experience on the Moto G35 is enhanced by Dolby Atmos studio speakers, delivering immersive and well-balanced audio. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, the audio quality is impressive for its price range. Additionally, the device supports eSIM alongside a physical SIM, offering greater flexibility for users who need dual connectivity options or frequently switch carriers. The Moto G35 5G stands out as a solid budget-friendly option, offering an impressive combination of features for its price. Its standout elements include a vibrant and smooth display with a 120Hz refresh rate, an eco-friendly design with a premium touch, a capable dual-camera system that performs well in good lighting, a dependable 5,000 mAh battery for all-day usage, a clean and user-friendly software experience with long-term updates. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations. The chipset, while adequate for routine tasks, may struggle with heavy multitasking or demanding gaming. Additionally, the camera's performance in low-light conditions is underwhelming. That said, the Moto G35 is an excellent choice for eco-conscious users and those seeking affordable 5G connectivity without compromising on essential features. Overall, it strikes a fine balance between value, functionality, and modern conveniences, making it a strong contender in the budget smartphone segment. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Moto G35 5G. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Is this the budget phone you've been waiting for? If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.